Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Philips 34E1C5600HE 34-inch Ultrawide QHD Monitor, a display designed to boost productivity and simplify your setup. This monitor features a 3440 x 1440 resolution with a 21:9 ultrawide aspect ratio, giving you plenty of screen space for multitasking. Whether you're working with large spreadsheets, editing content, or managing multiple windows side by side, the extra width makes everything feel more efficient. The 1500R curved VA panel adds immersion, while delivering strong contrast and vibrant color. It also includes a built-in 5MP webcam with Windows Hello support for quick and secure logins, along with integrated speakers and a noise-reducing microphone, making it ideal for video calls without extra accessories. One of its biggest advantages is USB-C docking. With a single cable, you can power your laptop, transfer data, and send video to the display, helping keep your desk clean and organized. Low blue mode and flicker-free technology reduce eye strain during long sessions. While the glossy screen can reflect light in bright rooms, proper placement solves that easily. Overall, this is a versatile ultra-wide monitor built for modern workspaces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.